Aussie gold stocks surge on US bank worries. A $20 million fundraise for better beer. And the new Bali for FIFO workers. Welcome to Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. I'm Sarah Hughan. This episode is brought to you by Stake, Australia's most recommended broker. The Aussie gold miners surged today in a rush to safety after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank in the US. But the gains for the gold stocks pulled back from their highs earlier in the session after the Biden administration announced a bailout, and investors collectively breathed a sigh of relief. So why is a bank in Silicon Valley important for global markets? This bank lends to tech companies, which makes it vulnerable to the boom and bust cycles of tech. And last year, tech crashed, meaning they started withdrawing more cash. The fancy tech-focused bank was brought down by the oldest issue in banking, a good old run on the bank. Some of the problem stems from crazy money. Tech companies raise millions and millions in capital, then they deposit it in the bank. But the tech slump in 2022 meant tech startups burnt through cash faster, or couldn't raise money at the crazy valuations 12 months earlier. So they needed to withdraw more money to keep it going. And SVB just wasn't ready for that volume of withdrawals. There's a tug-of-war going on for HR software business Intelli HR. Today, Human Force Holdings upped their bid for Intelli HR to 16.5 cents per share. This is in response to the 14-cent bid from the Access Group. Investors clearly are betting on a bidding war, with shares closing at 17 cents today. Intelli HR is using AI to better manage people by mining data about a company's workforce and using it for intelligent insights. Cool business idea of the day goes to Better Beer. Mighty Craft is raising $20 million to grow its craft beer range. The company was started by social media influencers, the inspired unemployed.
0 carbs, 0 sugar, low calories.
87 calories. We wanted a beer, but we wanted the statistics of a seltzer in a beer, but better.
And FIFOs won't need to go to Bali during their swings anymore. Mineral Resources is planning resort-style digs for its workers and their families. Swimming pools, restaurants, a wellness centre and a cinema are all in the plans. Could this be the end of FIFO? Why would anyone ever leave? You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au. Or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Sarah Hughan. See you next time.